you have to concentrate your mind due to one reason. I am telling you. Hi guys, good evening all of you. Today I'll tell you something about spoken English. Actually, fact is that all we are ready to speak in English, but due to some reasons we are not getting our speaking ability actually. Due to one reason, I am telling you. This is not only for the speaking English, but you can think in your every field actually. If you are not concentrated in your mind in this particular field which work you are doing, so on the time it is quite impossible for you to get your success in your field. Meditation means you have to concentrate your mind first of all, which is very important things in our life actually. If we concentrate your mind in any particular work, whichever work we are doing actually, so on that time it is possible for us to get your success. Just I am telling you how you will do the meditation. Firstly, you have to choose one place. Any places there is no problem. It may be in your floor, it may be on chair, wherever you feel comfortable. You just sit down on a posture. The posture must be stable and comfortable. First, you have to close your eyes and try to stop all type of thinking. Just imagine your own breath, nothing more than that. So things must be come to your mind, but avoid them. So always thinking and thinking. Only you have to focus your thinking in your breath, inhalation and exhalations. Remember one thing, you have to close your eyes because eyes are the door of our mind. So eyes must be closed. So while we are close our eyes, just think we are sleeping. Just sleeping is a unconscious meditation, and meditation is conscious sleep. So in sleeping we can get limited energy, but in meditation we can get abundant energy, abundant cosmic energy, which is most powerful in our life actually. Our think tank always will be increased. Do it 5 to 7 days. You can change yourself. You can notice by yourself. There is no problem. But one thing I am telling you, this habit you have to do every day. But today I have done it and tomorrow I will forget it. No, this is not exactly way, but you have to do it every day and everywhere. If you not particularly in the morning time, you can do it lunch time. You can do it evening times. Wherever you feel anytime you feel, if you can get some times, you can manage sometimes. You can do that. There is no problem. So my meditations, you can concentrate your brain, particular that which work you are doing. Now you are learning spoken English, so you have to concentrate your mind in spoken English. That I have to learn it, I have to speak it. Then I think it is possible. But without concentrate your mind, not only for spoken English, you can't learn anything. You can't get your success. Think yourself in your office. Maybe you are doing a job in an office, but your mind is not permitted you to concentrate your own work actually. So on that time you need a meditation. By meditations everything is possible. Thank you very much.
मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना